How y'all doing? So I'm gonna make a video showing everybody the puppies. A lot of people's been asking me about it. So I just been kind of waiting until their eyes was open. They was moving around a little bit better and stuff. So I'll show you. Let's see. We'll start with the males. That's what I got right here. Here's the first little male. These are in no order, and none of the males are sold. But I've had a ton of people messaging me, but I hadn't really got a chance to show anybody the dogs. He's pretty. Got a pretty little, real pretty pattern on him. Little blocky heads. All of them got little blocky heads and short little muzzles. Eyes is starting to open up on this one, huh? Mm-hmm. One eye's more open. It's kind of looking like a pirate. Straight little tails. Alright. Next one. I'll show this big boy here. Call him Ace. I like his little black foot and his little white foot. He's a hoss. He's like a dark blue, like Divie, looks like. And he's thick, son. Got a big old head, short, thick neck. Let's see if you can see it. Got his little eyes. One of them's all the way open. Okay. Let's see which one to show you here. Alright, here's another one. You got your eyes open. Mm-hmm. You see, you got a real nice little bully, blocky head with a big stop there, a lot of top skull on them. This one don't have a little white tip on its tail. Most of them got the white tip. Okay, who else we got? Here's another one. He's got the dot on his neck. Been calling him Ouija. How's his little eyes? He's got 1.5 open. Huh? Do what? He's like, this is a slick little surface we're on here, son. He don't have a white tip either. Okay. Let's see who else we got. That's 4 of them, right? Yeah.
Spade.
This is Spade. He's another big one. I've been calling him Spade because it looks like a spade on the back of his head here. His pattern is like perfectly symmetrical. Like even on his belly. Like he's the same all over. He has the little white tip right there. Yeah, fat boy. Old Spade. Alright, that's all the boys. Let's show you the girls. Alright. Here's one. Look. You want to stand up? You got her eyes open. She got the little white tip on her tail too. It's okay, baby. She's pretty. Alright, what else we got? I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Let's see. Here's this big girl. She's the bluest one of the whole bunch as far as the least amount of white. She's a big girl too. Short, yeah, big old thick legs. We'll make another video too once they get to running around where you can really see them move around. She's pitching a fit. That's okay. We'll put you back. Okay, which one have I showed? That one. That one. Oh, I love this little girl here. This little girl. This one. She's like a really cool shade of blue. And I like her because she's got the shortest little body. Like she's so compact. Show me your face, little girl. You got little tiny short legs. But her body is like super short and compact. I'll just show you kind of, whoa, the side of this one, which I haven't shown yet. That'll be the next one I show. I can get her to stretch out. She's all, oop, I got some poop on me here. Did you let one go on me? Alright, this one's one I've been calling Cal. Because she's all spotted up like a cow. She's a big girl. Okay. Showed that one, that one, that one, that one, last one. And like I said, these are in no order. This one's got a, she's got a mostly blue foot too on the front. She's really pretty. She's a lot like Goon in her markings up here on her head. She's got a tiny little white tip on her tail. As you can see, real square little blocky muzzles, and it's good looking little everything really. That's all of them. You know, of course, who they're off of, Goon and Divie. I've had a bunch of people ask me who they're off of and what the parents look like. There's like, all my videos pretty much have them in it, so best would probably be to look back if you want to see them at the ones I made right about the time I thought Divie was getting pregnant. It's a video of just Goon and just Divie. I think it says close up with Goon and close up with Divie. I think that's the titles. Get at me, and if you want one, get a deposit in. You can just, you know, let me know what you want, male or female. I can get the ears cut for you. They're ABKC registered. So just get with me and let me know what you're looking for. And if you like one in particular, let me know which one you like and everything. And we'll get you. Right now I've got a bunch of people messaging me about them, but everybody's been wanting to see them closer before, you know, they put any money on them or whatever. Well, one of the girls is sold, but they haven't picked it out yet. So either way, get at me and we'll get you something done. Y'all have a good, and I appreciate you watching.